Good afternoon. Today's activity is total count of RBC. For total count of RBC, the instrument used is improved Neuber's hemocytometer. So this activity is only a demonstration of the instruments and the procedures. So this is the Neuber hemocytometer, improved Neuber hemocytometer. This instrument contains RBC pipette, then another is the counting chamber, then another is cover slip. These are the three parts of this instrument and which we need for the total count of RBC. RBC pipette. So description of the RBC pipette. It has three graduations. 0.5, 1 and 101. The 0.5 and 1 are present on the stem of the pipette, and the third mark 101 is placed above the bulb of the pipette. This is the bulb of the pipette. If blood is drawn up to mark 1 and the rest of the bulb is filled by sucking up diluting solution up to 101, the dilution of blood will be 1:100. If blood is drawn up to 0.5, the dilution will be 1:200. Now the counting chamber. There is a ruling in the center. This is the ruling area, consists of 9 square millimeters. The central square millimeter is ruled into 25 groups of 16 small squares, each group separated by triple lines. The side of each small square is 1 by 20 millimeter. In addition, diluting solutions and cover slips are also required. So we need the dilution solution and also the sample of blood and the cover slip, what I have already shown. So these are the instruments we require for total count of RBC. Now the method of counting RBC. 1 drop of blood is drawn from the red cell counting blood is drawn from the sample, and 1 drop of blood is given in the counting chamber under the cover slip, because we have to place the cover slips on the counting chamber after diluting up to 101. So our dilution will be 1:100. Since under the surface of the cover slip, under cover slip, the depth is 1 by 10. The depth is 1 by 10. The volume of each small square in the counting chamber is 1 divided by 400 cubic millimeter. Red cells are counted in 5 groups of 16 small squares. To avoid counting twice on one cell, counted either when on line, either on the top or left lines, or bottom or right line, right lines. Now the number of RBC per cubic millimeter can be calculated from the formula number of cells counted into dilution into 400 divided by number of small squares counted. So this will give the total count of RBC. The normal value of total count of RBC in case of male 3.8 to 5.8 million per cubic millimeter of blood. In case of female 3.5 to 5.5 million per cubic millimeter of blood. So this concludes our activity of total count of RBC.